Children, are you all ready? We are going to discuss the answers to page number 40 as well as 42. So open up your copies and write them down. We have to find out the molecular masses. First one is hydrogen. Now see, hydrogen atomic mass is 1 and atoms are 2. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2U. Similarly, oxygen, the second one, atomic mass is 16 and it has got 2 atoms. So it is 16 into 2, that is 32U. Third one is chlorine, atomic mass 35.5 and atoms are again 2. So 35.5 into 2, that is equal to 71U. These were the elements, molecules of elements rather. Now the molecules of compounds. Carbon dioxide contains 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. Mass of carbon is 12 and mass of oxygen is 16. So 12 into 1 plus 16 into 2, that is equal to 44U. Likewise, you can do for CH4, that is methane. It is again a compound with 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. So 12 into 1 plus 1 into 4, that gives you 16U. Then is C2H6. 2 atoms of carbon, 4 atoms of hydrogen. If you multiply them, add them, you get 30U. Similarly, C2H4 is another carbon compound with 2 atoms of carbon, but hydrogen are only 4. So add them up, you get the mass as 28. Moving on to the next compound, that is ammonia, NH3. Nitrogen is 4U and hydrogen is, you'd all know by now, it is 1U. 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen, so 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17U. Then is methane, CH3OH. कार्बन अगेन 12, हाइड्रोजन 3 हैं तो 1 into 3, एक ऑक्सीजन का मास 16 एंड एक हाइड्रोजन का मास 1. Add them up, you get 32. Then I have given one more additional one, that is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. You know hydrogen का मास is 1, सल्फर का मास is 32, ऑक्सीजन का मास is 16. और हाइड्रोजन के 2 मास हैं तो 1 into 2 2, सल्फर का 1 है तो प्लस 32, और ऑक्सीजन के 4 एटम्स हैं तो 16 into 4, that is 64. So total comes out to be 98U. Now the second question is to find out the formula unit mass. और formula unit mass किसका होता है? Ionic compounds का, कल बताया था. So zinc oxide is formed by zinc ion and oxide ion. Zinc का mass is 65, oxygen का mass is 16. So 65 plus 16, you can add them up. Next one is Na2O. Sodium का mass is 23, oxygen का mass is 16. Sodium are 2 atoms and oxygen is 1 atom, so total mass is 46 plus 16. Third one is potassium carbonate, K2CO3. Now potassium is 39U and it has 2 atoms, so 39 into 2. Carbon is 1, so plus 12. और ऑक्सीजन के 3 एटम्स हैं तो 16 into 3, that is 48. Add them all up and you get the formula unit mass of K2CO3. अब 2 क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दे रही हूँ जो आपको करने हैं और मुझको सेंड कर दीजिए. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एंड एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट, इन दोनों का फॉर्मूला यूनिट मास निकालिए एंड गिव मी योर आंसर्स. दिस वाज पेज नंबर 40. And now moving to page number 42. They are asking the mass of 1 atom of carbon. और given क्या है कि 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 grams. और आपको पता है कि 1 mole में 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms होते हैं. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms का mass है 12 grams. So 1 atom का mass कितना होगा? 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. और 10 to the power 23 को ऊपर ले जाइए. So 12 into 10 to the power minus 23 upon 6.022. That gives you 1.993 into 10 to the power minus 12. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंपेयर करने के लिए है कि 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ सोडियम दिए हुए हैं और 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ Fe दिए हुए हैं, किस में ज़्यादा एटम्स होंगे. So what you have to do is convert into moles. More the moles, more will be the number of atoms. Moles निकालने के लिए given mass upon molar mass. तो सोडियम का given mass is 100, molar mass is 23. उसके moles आ गए 4.34 moles. आयरन का molar mass is 56 और given mass is 100. So 100 upon 56 comes out to be 1.78 moles. तो किसके ज़्यादा moles हैं आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? Sodium. So sodium has more moles, sodium has more number of atoms. Hope that's clear to you children. तो अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताएंगे. Until then, bye bye and keep studying.